Nate in your state.
You guys already know that I like wings. I got apple honey, and this is what the apple honey looks like.
And pause. Hi, this is Nate's Inner Voice. I'll be providing you additional information that I may have missed when shooting this episode. You know the Nate man loves his wings, but what is the Nate man looking for when it comes to wings? He likes them sweet and spicy, or sweet and savory. Some examples of that are, think of Thai sauces and barbecue sauces. And in this episode, Nate's going to be experimenting with some new flavors. With that being said, let's proceed. So-so. It's not all that, but it's so-so. Maybe it's the fact that it's apple honey, but it's different. And let's pause yet again. Apple honey. You see that? These are two sweets. It's like yin plus yin, but no yang to balance. But it's still wings, you know. I can't disrespect wings. I have to eat it. This waffle fries is the maple chili. And it really does taste like a mixture of like chili, a hint of bacon. I don't know where the bacon came from. And like maple syrup. These fries are really good. It's like the best waffle fries I've ever had. But this maple chili, this is some good sauce. If I could actually have these wings with maple chili instead, dope, hands down. I think it will be a knockout.
I like how this place gives you time to like enjoy your food. And if you're having drinks, you know what I mean? It's a nice place to come unwind.
Especially with outside where you can chill outside.
Footage of my first impression was lost, but here is my reenactment of my first impression of this burger. The burger was cooked medium well and it was okay and firm, but these combinations of flavors do not go too well together. It felt like the Democrats and the Republicans was going on in my mouth, and we know that they are in constant disagreement. I thought that adding a third party / independent party would be the catch up, but neither flavor was paying in any mind.
This is the TCB burger. I was saying that, well, the first time I recorded it didn't go through. How disappointing. I was saying that it was missing something. The peanut butter throws it off, but the banana saves it. So I figured, okay, probably it needs ketchup. I tried it with the ketchup, and I don't think the ketchup saved it at all. So, not the type of burger for me for the most part, but it's food. I like the onion rings, but this, it says on the menu, good enough for the king, for Elvis, but I don't know, it's not good enough for Nate the Great. It should say, not good enough for the great, because I'm the great, but Elvis will be the king, so he can have that.